Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about comments in SQL. So, what is the purpose of SQL comments? First thing is that purpose is for better understanding of SQL query or statement. Okay, and another thing is that to stop the execution of executable query from getting executed. So, what like it does means okay. So, whenever we are writing some SQL query. So that time, if query is a complex, means we are using a lot of things like some conditions, some where conditions we are using, and then maybe we are using some logical operators inside it for the some complex filtering, and then order by we are using, or maybe some group by we are using, and query is going to be complex. So that time we can use comments to explain the underlying SQL query or statement. And then another thing is that whenever intentionally in the SQL script we have written multiple SQL queries or statements, and that time we want to stop the execution of one of the query. So that time we can comment that query as the comment. We can comment it out, so it will avoid the execution. And then another thing that how many types of SQL comments are there in guys we will see that. So first one is a single line comment, and another type we have multi-line comment. Okay, so how single line comment we can comment in a SQL. So first we have to use twice hyphen and then space. After that we can give the comment text, like this is a single line comment I written here. And then another thing is that whenever comment is going to be like more than one line, so that time we have to use a multi-line comment. How we can use a multi-line comment? We have to syntax is that we have to give forward slash first, and then hashtag symbol star forward slash star, and then you will write your text, guys. Okay, so it can be more than one line, two line, three line, whatever, to explain the underlying code of statement or that kind of thing, or any SQL code you can comment it out. And then at the end you have to use hashtag forward slash. Okay, now we will see these things with help of some practical examples. Okay, so what we are doing, SQL command we are using for the better understanding of the SQL query that we talked about. So what we will do, this is a query which is reading data from a customer's table, and then we are filtering data where country is a USA, then we are using some order by customer ID descending. So first then if I want to describe this query with help of single line comment, how I will do that? Twice hyphen space, and then I will give above query, above SQL query will select records from customers table. Above SQL query will select records from customer table based on USA country, and sort result based on customer ID field, customer ID field in descending form. Okay, so this is our comment, this is explaining above query. So this is going more than one line, so instead of twice hyphen single line comment I will use multi-line comment forward slash asterisk, and then how we will complete it, asterisk forward slash. Okay, if I will execute this, guys, then what will happen? Only our comment won't be like, comment will not get executed, only the SQL query will get executed. Let me run. Yes, and now we are getting the result where country is in USA, and these are the customer details, and customer ID we can see is in the descending form. Okay, this we saw to explain the underlying SQL code. And another thing is that if we have to comment, uh, if we have to comment code. Okay, so what I am doing, first I am going to read the entire customers details. table data. So what I will do, I will use single line comment from where till the order by I am commenting out, guys, and then I am running. What will happen? I will get all customers details. Yes, I have got all customers details. So now if I have to do some other operation, okay, like I have to read a now select star from, I want to read a orders table. Hmm. So now this is our query. First query is also executable, but we want to stop the execution of that query for now. Forward slash asterisk as a multi-line command, asterisk forward slash. Yes. Then if I am executing, what I will get? I will get all order details from the orders table. Yes. This way SQL comments works, and purpose of SQL command is for to explain the underlying SQL query or statement. And another thing is that whenever intentionally we want to stop the execution of the SQL query that we don't want to execute along with other SQL statement, then we can comment out. And these are the two types of SQL command, guys: single line or multi-line command. Thank you, guys. We will see you in the next session.